Shit, you know, we about to prep that chicken. And you know, we got some quick ass greens in the can. We got them whole potatoes. What up, little nigga?
And Daddy, we got something else. We got this. Let's make this.
We got that. What's that? The green beans. We got a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Some of that rice.
And we have this.
The macaroni. Yeah, that's the green beans. That's the good stuff. Some of that black beans and rice.
What are these?
Yeah, I know. You just hand me that 7 times. Nigga, move.
Okay.
We got that. Got some of that. I don't need none of that. Need that for the macaroni. That's for that macaroni. And I need some that regular seasoning salt right here for them chicken. We got pot. I mean, not pot. This is a pot right here. We got that little skillet, pan, this bowl. And you know, all this shit is coming together. Coming together. Easy money. Top 5 get woo.
It works. You can't just pop up like you just did to us in Colorado. Like, no, we are gonna get our own shit, have our cool shit. You can stay for a little bit, like week visitation. We're just so heated. Like, you can't just ever since he's doing that, now I'm good at that shit. Heats me. That's so dumb to me. I guess if he moves, I'll move. No, people don't just you don't know. We've done planning this since what?
That honey with that barbecue sauce is mixed up right with flour. Yeah, that shit coming together. Shit coming together. And for good and sad and the happiness. Look, turn it down just a little bit. Test that out. Look at the water going. And it's ready, eh? Turn it down, from 8 to about 6 points.
Don't you go off of that rug.
Easy money, babe.